India should take initiative to frame a maritime protocol. Even as Indian sailors on board MV Jagannath have reached back home in India, the sailors of MV Anastasia remains floating in China waters. The Chinese authorities did not allow ships to either dock or go for a crew change for months due to coronavirus related embargo. Out of the 39 Indian crew members who were stranded on 2 cargo ships in Chinese waters, 23 sailors who are stuck on board MV Jagannath are back in India. But the fate of the other 16 on board the MV Anastasia still float on the Chinese waters. Indian bulk cargo vessel MV Jagannath with 23 Indian sailors had been on anchorage near Jingtang port in Hebei province of China since June 13 last year. MV Anastasia with 16 Indians as its crew has been on anchorage near Keifadian port in China since September 20. Arjun Singh, father of Gaurav, one of the seafarers on MV Anastasia, has been out in the public forum recently seeking help of Indian citizens to sign a mega petition for submitting to the government of India. But the fact of the matter is that the government has been in continuous talks with the Chinese authorities and a positive result is expected soon. The former Air Force officer Arjun Singh feels that the ship is stuck in China's waters due to a trade dispute for the past 13 months. The Indian officials have been closely coordinating with China to bring back the 16 seafarers including Gaurav. The External Affairs Ministry say the formalities for finalizing the process, standard operating procedure are in the final stage. The moment it is completed, the shipping company will initiate the process of crew change. Government of India reiterates that it has been continuously pursuing the issue of crew change of Indian sailors. Reports suggest that all seafarers in the vessel have started losing their normalcy of late. Apart from the 16 Indian sailors, there are 2 more in the cargo, one Russian and one Filipino. It's pointed out that all these 18 seafarers were forced to be at sea so long in all by the authorities. This has been because they were denied disembarkation for fear of spreading the coronavirus. But this is too ridiculous an attitude towards sailors out in the vast ocean. It's true that this is not the first time something like this has happened and it is not going to be the last also. But there has to be an institutionalized and reasonable regulatory mechanism to protect the welfare of the seafarers who are the backbone of maritime business. India is one of the leading maritime players and Indians are one of the largest contingent of mariners in cargo vessels worldwide. Hence, India has every right and privilege to take a leader position to frame a global maritime protocol to protect the seafarers.
Please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get the latest updates.